welcome back to Forexpros. Today we will be discussing the market of gold and see what kind of trading opportunities can we find. So first of all, let me remove all the previous week's drawing and let us make a fresh analysis from starting from the monthly time frame moving down to the 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame and see what will happen in the upcoming few hours. So first of all, as you know, we go from the monthly time frame and we have been discussing a single thing for the past few weeks that as we can see that the market is approaching a very important structure support area from which what do we expect. As you know that this was the resistance area before, and whenever market approached this area it made a huge move to the downside. Let me change the color of this so it might be a bit more visible. Yes, okay. Now as we have discussed that this is an important structure area, and now what do we expect? The market to make a huge move, a retracement or a rejection from this point. So this is one of the possibilities, not something that I would gamble upon. So on the monthly time frame there are chances that the market might come down, but the more possibility is that the market might be going in the upward direction. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, if we have to decide, like if we have to put a trade, I'll go with the buy, because this is a very important structure support area which was the resistance area previously. And whenever we're discussing supports and resistance, the higher the time frame, the more important is it. Like if this was the same support area on a 15-minute or 1-minute time frame, I would not have given it much importance. This is the monthly time frame we're talking about, so this is a very important time frame. And let's move down on the weekly time frame and see what kind of possibilities do we have. So on the weekly time frame, you guys can see that the market last week tried to break below the structure support area. This is the structure support area, and if we have to make a range in the upward direction, in the upper area, this is the area where the market is currently range bound. As you can see, the market tried to break below it but went back up. So on the weekly time frame we can see that there is a possibility that the market might range bound in this area. So we're talking about the possibilities. What will happen, we will know for sure in the upcoming week. So moving down on the daily time frame, this is where it gets much interesting. Why? Because on the weekly time frame there is a possibility of range bound and a possibility that the market has been rejected from the structure support and it might go in the upward direction. So from going from weekly to daily, we can consider this a fake breakout. We can consider this a fake breakout, or secondly, we want to make this box a bit more precise. Yes, as you can see that this was the main support area, because this was a fake breakout. It was respected here, again respected here, and now whenever the market approached this area, it made a huge rejection to the upside. So again the market is now approaching this area which is now the resistance area. So the point to consider in the upcoming few hours is that if the market, there is a possibility market made a move to the downside, it's retesting this point and then continue its impulse towards the downside. Whenever we want to measure an impulse and a correction, what do? We take the Fibonacci retracement, and we can see that the market is approaching exactly the 0.382 level. So as the market is approaching the 0.382 level, now as soon as the market opens, there won't be a much move on the Monday because there is a holiday. So the possibility is that the market might come down. So what will you do? You will observe the market if you move down on the shorter time frame. And if we see that the market has tried to, market came down from that area, from this 0.382 resistance area down to this point, this will be the observance area where we will be observing the market. And if we see that the market is not able to break below the structure support, then all my money will be on the bullish trade. So I'll go for a bullish trade, not too much go in a swing trade, but from this point 2005 to 2027, it's a good 200 plus pips trade. So when the market approaches this area, this will be the area where we will be observing the market and see that if the market provides a good rejection, then we can go for the bullish trade. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe, like the video if you liked our analysis, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the updates, and do join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. So whenever we give a accurate signal, because when the market will be reaching this area, I will not be able to make a video at the current moment. So I'll give a signal in my Telegram channel, which is completely free. And do tell us in the comment section, what do you think of our analysis? And if you want an analysis of a specific pair, do let me know that as well. Thank you.